our one recovery, which is a side-by-side way over there.
Way over that direction there.
But now we've got a Toyota.
And a whole posse.
And a whole posse of people. We'll go see if they need a hand.
Somewhere in that range. Pretty well gone. Eureka off-road on YouTube. So James, what are we doing?
It's going to take longer than anticipated, so we're going to go do the call that we came down here for, and then we'll come back and give him a hand, because it looks like something's wrong with something, and he's not getting any of his tires to turn anymore, so he's kind of dead in the water there.
Well, I think there's enough winches out here. There's a winch there, winch there, winch there, you know, we got some winches around. Oh, hey, Mr. Royce.
What are you in? Well, you know what? I'll get you a soft shackle.
Well, this issue, me, I'm like a good 150 pounds. That, a little heavier, that's what happens. In case you didn't know, it's me, for one. For two, we are down here for these people to get these two side-by-sides out, and we got sidetracked with the little red Toyota. So, yeah, here we are. And it is soft out here. Yeah, you don't want to walk through here. It's pretty nasty. But
That might be our best bet, 'cause that's going to go through the frame. If we can get through there.
a little bit of quicksand out here, but
Snap off. If we do that, yeah, that's probably our best bet.
it's like monkey see, monkey do out here, and they both got stuck. See if we're around one or two here, huh? See what happens. See what pulls apart on this old girl. Some stuff. I think it's moving. Well, it's pretty stuck. It's pulling the old work truck. We're gonna flip Tyrell around in the little blue Ford and do a little anchoring. Let's see how the old steak pocket does.
Yeah, get in there, stay in your front brake. Yeah, I know.
This is a hoot down here. Oh, Jamie, we're losing Jamie in a pretty quick hurry. Oh no, we're losing him.
I don't think it's that tweak.
No, I'm going to the deep dark abyss.
Getting some nice footage of my bum.
Yeah. Well, I was falling, and you know, stuff was happening.
Is that completely filled in back there?
What a lovely day, though. So that one currently has a belt issue, trying to belt, so no power to the ground anyways. It's not quite moving yet. Oh, it's starting to. Starting to break suction.
Oh, shit.
Update.
Yeah, so we left that Toyota. We just caught wind from a guy that just passed by him that apparently they got 6 winches hooked to him and they've about got him out. We broke the winch line, so we got somewhere where we could get cell phone service and hopefully calling in the cavalry. Maybe all them folks that pulled up the Toyota will make their way this way, and it's just so hard. Side by sides don't have anywhere good to hook onto, so. But we got 2 of them left, and we got a broken winch now, and yeah, we're just gonna wait for cavalry before we break anything else, because I've been having a rough day today so far. So yeah, that's your update.
That's the update.
Yeah, we might have hell trying to get those knots out of there.
Well, it's out.
Yeah, let's see if you can back the rest of the way out so we don't have to winch the winches all the way in.
Tyro's gonna.
We're sinking. This is not good. Get your phone.
Yeah, we're sinking. Gotta dig out. I don't think it's really gonna do anything.
It's gonna do so much help.
Yeah, I don't know.
It helped the other one.
This one's gonna be a little bit trickier. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, it's really soft. Really, really soft. Okay, that's not a good idea. Alright, we're giving her a yank. Maybe. Might just be getting it tight, I don't really know. You're sinking, Tyrell.
Okay, I'm going. Oh, it's in my boots. I'm too fat for this. Nobody else can call me fat.
Say that again.
Only me.
Everybody sees it.
Hold on, man. How come his starts so easily?
Because it's better.
Holy crap. I'm sorry. At least he's buying us dinner.
Yeah, maybe.
Hopefully. Hopefully he wasn't kidding. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this, you should maybe check out Royce and Tyrell if you want to.
Really cool.
Our videos are a lot worse quality because they're shot on an iPhone.
They're good quality.
Well, we're not good at videos, so. But this will be on there. The inside scoop. And we're doing it in a crucial part of the recovery, so Jamie can't edit this out. Okay, come on. All right, hold on. What do you think, Royce?
We got the job done.
Yeah,
We did all the work. Shout out to Royce and Tyrell.
Shout out to Royce and Tyrell. They're awesome. They're the best YouTube channel on the whole world,
Yep.
except for they suck a lot.
Man.
If I didn't shovel and you didn't stand there with the camera, it would never came out.
No.
So, yeah, something like that. I don't know.
Never ever.
All right, thanks for watching
Yeah.
or something. I don't know. I don't know if this is the end of this video.
There might be more. More people getting stuck.
Probably us.
Who knows? Yeah, probably.
Chucker gets stuck. All right, yeah.
So, I don't know if we got it confirmed. We actually just passed all the guys that pulled out the Toyota that was stuck in the beginning. So the flatbed Toyota's unstuck. We got the side-by-sides unstuck with some help. I felt kind of bad. I called my parents and my brother and everybody to come out and help me winch. And they showed up about 5 minutes after we got them pulled out. So we got them out. We're headed out. Broken winch line, a little bit of hurt pride, but you know,
Yeah,
that's what it is. I think we're gonna wrap the video up here. There's a good chance there's still a lot of people down here that things might get ugly, but that'll be another day for another video.
That's right.
So we might see you in a few minutes. We might see you in a week. I don't know.
Never know. Stay tuned.
But reservoir season is upon us. Come on down, have some fun. Don't get too rowdy. Haven't got my new radiator in yet. But appreciate you guys watching. Huge shout out to Josh for filming, helping out. And see you guys in the next one, huh?